Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a moist apple and blueberry cake. So easy to make, not that many ingredients, so delicious and moist. Stay with me to see all the steps. In a big mixing bowl, I will start with 3 large eggs, room temperature. Add a pinch of salt. Always add some salt for any kind of baking. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And I have here the zest of 1 lemon. I will mix everything good before that I start adding the rest of the ingredients. I have here half cup of sugar. Mix again. You don't need no hand mixer, no nothing. It's only with the whisker. Then a half cup of melted butter. Mix again everything well. And 1 tablespoon of strawberry jam. That's optional, but I like that flavor. Here I'm having 8 grams of baking powder. It's like 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix everything well and cake mix is ready. For the pan, I grease the pan with the butter, put some parchment paper and pour the cake mix. In the meantime, the oven is preheating on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have here 3 apples and the juice of 1 lemon. For the apples, I slice them thin and I put some lemon juice on them. I put them on the top of the cake mixture. However you prefer, you put them on the top. Then I have some fresh blueberries. Also I sprinkle them on the top of the cake mixture and the apples. That's if you prefer the blueberries. I like the flavor. And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I cut it into small pieces and put it on the top of my fruits, my blueberries and apples, sliced apples. And also I will sprinkle some sugar. You can use brown sugar or you use regular sugar, whatever you prefer and you like. Then I take it to the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It took for me 14 minutes and depend on each person oven. It looks nice, brown from the outside and very moist from the inside this cake. Very moist. I have here strawberry jam. I warm it and put some on the top of my cake. That's to give it extra moisture. It'll be so soft and moist. And that's it. I will wait when it cools off. I take it out the cake pan. Then it will be ready to serve with a cup of coffee, of tea. That was the cake for today. Very delicious and easy to make. Very simple. Brown and nice from the outside and very moist and delicious from the inside. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!